Students of today. Gangsta. Aka. Ejuma ho ayenti amanfo krekre keys. Oya obi baby am simple. Akabenezer. Ono no say so child the French. Nensontada. I say we be like gone. Ti on ma no we konkon. Ope wo ba wa fon. Chele wo pe di enam. Da wo pe di enam. Oba ko fo wa ji school man aboso. Branch this why one thing ti addition koso. And I'm for pa. I want it to one time. Like it. Students of today, yeah. Students of today, yeah. I coach in Quan, this year no dear Debbie. Messi, I coach in Quan, this year no dear Amumpo. Students of today, yeah. Students of today, yeah. I coach in Quan, this year no dear Debbie. Messi, I coach in Quan, this year no dear Amumpo. The man and me part this year, I could fibra no more. Your back can be our monfa. Your moya no more yo. 3940 on any gang. Kyekyeku and a shefo. Stubborn boys them day for campus. I'm with me no like you wolf. Or chair French and I must want it. When a while cook as a conforce a call. Best I could in the class. Oka console when you're in the class. Where your boss was a foul to bed your marks. Power to bed your marks. Elani Jenson take the hood jatty down or more. To be a democrat school, some cossia there. Ain't like yeah, and I'm a friend in Swede. I want to dress and you. High school girls and boys. Students of today, yeah. Students of today, yeah.
Morning. How are you, ladies? And where are you going at this time?
So please, you're going to get some food. We'll be back very soon.
Okay. Come. Concerning your mission, looks like I've seen some slight improvements with certain students.
Vidash.
What?
Hey! Why?
Vidash.
What's up?
Where have you been?
Why are you asking?
For the past 1 week, you are not in campus.
Oh, come on, but I told you everything.
Oh. You told me what?
I told you I have a new friend out there, so I'll be going there for a visit.
So, you're in charge of the SU.
Yes.
So, how is it going?
Sir, by God's grace, things are going on very well. Even those who lived on scrupulous lifestyle are changing and they have started coming. Exactly.
That's good news. You know, the school owner has always been complaining about this, and he always puts the blame on us as the teachers.
Why? Why are you asking?
No, because I haven't seen you. It has been a while.
But you know it's not everything that I'll tell you.
Then you have to tell me.
Tell you for what?
Oh.
I know you are my friend, but I have to pause.
But you have to be very, very careful.
For what?
For the whole 1 weekend you are not on campus and you are asking me for what?
Because we're supposed to get the students or put them on the right place. But we do our part and we do our best. But if at the end of the day some students are stubborn, there's nothing you can do. But if your mission is going well, keep doing it.
Thank you, sir.
You're going to help us a lot.
Thank you.
Now, I got a class to teach. Don't be late.
Okay.
But Lydia, you know I'm
You'll be
putting
losing
effort.
many things.
I'm still trying. Me putting effort. Say mission there. Me putting effort. Me try my best. Why? So don't worry. Why? First lady.
Oh.
Madam First Lady.
Oh.
Excuse me. Why? Me for class.
Baba, I'm coming.
Come. Hey, Say, why are you doing this? Huh? Why are you doing this?
Are you pull one by front on one?
No, that's what I'm getting.
Oh, Sam,
my friend. Give her right to him. Come on.
A dear right to pay in a walk. So we teacher need to make us just like that. Huh? Come on, go to the class.
Joanne, why have you telling you about me while I'm talking to you? Joanne.
What about me no kasa? Eh? E dia na men kan chiro. Ah? Kasa be na me ne won kan. Enda bish na yesi. Ochina bish na yesi. Even me down for me no mo nam kwade.
Point of correction.
I
said I'm no more Vichy. Makonzi is the name.
What I call for Makonzi atun.
That's all.
Aden, me my bro. Aden. So when you're ready to obey Jayam, then you're ready to send me Jay. Aden.
Joanne.
What you want? Make your mom. Come on, okay. Take it. I'm gonna move on. Make too much house. Me better. Finish, man.
Concert. Abro wu na yakofa abro asabi dia the concert. Why you behave like that?
Me how me behave like that?
Yeah. Me can say me behave.
And so.
And so.
Joanne. Like someone in come on me know why you serious and how when you make just like that a dear source I'm for when you source for John amount you know like Makonzi I can't do this I can't then can you tell me or can you explain it to me?
Shamin sumo krane sa wi ne jota de aka na no ma chese e kan wasem bi a che kwa want.
Hey.
I don't plan shamin ye.
Hey, Joanne. As for that side, don't go there. I beg.
What do me balance?
Hey.
What? Okay, check.
My block. Okay.
I think I was sick.
Okay.
I think to me as you the pan pack. I'm a teacher need to know what I need.
Like I want you to tell you on the floor.
Check.
Please, I bring a party. I bring a party.
I think a party. Concert. What a concert like you did, bro.
How much, man? Let's go to the car. Go.
Check.
What here? What again? What on? What on?
Yes, one will be made to be Miss will be man 99.
Fine. Joanne, I know say your parents a bokawo. The same applies to me. But I try much as possible to be at a dear me Makonzi, I will provide it. Mammy, I know no shame you. I can make me rather than a bone car. And I own him. Unimana. Okay. Cassasam compound cherame. Why then? Can you repeat it? Why then?
Yeah, make a show. Makonzi, the vision, the wine. So when you're ready, so we know George, no one quite the assembly would do a campus and so be Jaya. And they may. Are you ready to say me no Jai? Me no Jayankasa.
Like me record now.
Who are me record? Huh?
You mean kind
who are me record?
Explain. Wait, come and stand here. Okay, you're here. I'll start from top.
I come here going to beat. What about? Just some I can't say the other phone.
We are small issue. We are the quite from the you reason about my get departing like relationship and I mean no one. Hey, one mama for you, mammy, and I mean yes, I line of cry. Hey, yes, sir.
A brandy and I'm a catch on. The wood Jaya, me no better. The wind Jaya, and the end is Jaya. You need to make a catch on. You're a catch on.
Run.
Who? I just some I can't catch him. Who buy me two for someone in yet? Just say, and simply I make a turn or walk a catch and say, maybe certificate in the bedroom. No, maybe a certificate. Huh? Wouldn't be my friend, you can't call some. Hey, make you have some to remember me, quiet me course. I'm not going to be tinted. So one say you out.
Boy, also.
Alonso, could you believe? Do you want to be an one catch them? Say me, a home Makonzi. Like, she's fed up with the relationship.
She's fed up. Tell the show man, also. Talking on also.
Alonso, I do respect you a lot, but don't let me use F as asking. I beg.
Boy,
I beg.
Alonso,
a homie. How could this happen to me? Do you want to jump to catch himself? Like you are, I can't do this. I can't. What do you mean? Someone catch me? Alonso, I can't me don't know. And I own him.
Now stop. Boy, don't get no Sean and what's up? Now we there.
And then we'll be gentle, much to an inch.
My friend, fuck off.
I didn't somehow.
Let me get her a gun. Let me get her a gun. What do you do? Everything.
You watch.
Are you okay now? Okay. Anytime. Can I keep mistake? Come and call me. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Also.
Yeah, you see, these are things that sometimes when it's coming, it is doing. What I say? Yeah? Omu ya try me akasa Makonzi. Every day you say Makonzi have done this, Makonzi have done. On premise somebody blame me. A homie Makonzi. A lady to make German man catch him say she is fed up. Wallahi talai. They would see me. They would see me.
Okay, I will be back.
Both in our court. But it's our thing.
Like you tell me, if I know I was too much. Every corner be me to be a I got it. You will be a mecca. Now can give me mecca. Come again. Oh, come on.
We shall wish champagne.
Man. Now, thank you, Tamaka. Thank you so much. I'll teach you what we teach me how to do. I have a view.
Say what you do.
Hey, my friend. Rika! Are you okay now?
The tent in the block for us to know, are you okay now?
Oh, headmaster.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Please, may I have a word with you?
So, can we meet at my office?
Well, here is cool.
All right, then go ahead.
Yeah. It's about a report that I had yesterday about teacher Likey.
Is it not the French teacher?
Yeah, the French teacher. It's actually the last one of several reports.
SU, keep the fire burning. SU, keep the fire burning. Na mo tse urade mu. Me so nyame adom me ho ye pa. Ene so aso urade ani si yehia. Na minim se ne wunim dada no. Say school ha no yen ba with our carnal body. Our carnal fresh. Me mum ye ba for a purpose. This I say ewiase we mu no say spiritually no one fa. Keep the fire burning. Keep the fire burning.
Because the way they fight you near ya dey kakra nti na wa ya che no problem.
Oh, why are they? Ubo adwuma pa nyame hira wo. Yama yesema no, oya ade pa. Me trust no.
By the way, I saw a student crying under a tree, and I walked to her to find out the reason. And she said, like it was teaching in her class, and she asked a question because she wasn't getting something straight. And because of that, she said, likely, like he drove her off the class.
Say na me di kan kan. Ewi ase we mu no na hokwa. Bible say enye ne honam ni moja na enya. Ye ni ewioma tumfo ahonbone adammo ni tumi na edi wo manya. School amoba ye obi afiri baby na bae. Wonni mo machiri. Niama ekoso a odi be wura school ma. Obi ama ha se obesua ade. Obi ba ha se obese ne yonko. Enti na school yi mu no obehu na lesbian ekoso. Obehu na okot ekoso. Obehu na niama ensam patanko a na ekoso wo school yi mu. Enti esu na amaba no eye papa. Na mo nyina mo fa support entai ya gazechi semini hakra na abri nyina mo yedai munsia na mo mpai.
Yeah, pretty strange. The thing is, it was like what he was teaching was kind of resembling another language, and the students understand that language, and that's why she asked. And likely said, "Why are you embarrassing me in front of all the students? Walk away."
But I'm really surprised to hear this statement.
Na me gidi say school ha na waba no wo dem paibo ene wadisua eka ho a wo betwa akọ. Amen. Titru form telephone wo betwa wo Yesu dem. Amen. Oh, me say wo betwa wo Yesu dem. Amen. Eti mo mfa niam bia just like that. Esa say wi ase we no ena hokwa. Me say ena hokwa, me say den. Ena hokwa. Me say den. Ena hokwa. So please, let's try our best to come to God always.
Yeah, and actually no one would doubt about it, but now the reports are kind of piling up, and that's why I felt the need to address you with it.
But you've never told me something like that.
Yeah, because I didn't want to base on one or two reports. There might be some students who just don't like the teacher, but then when I started hearing a number of them, then I felt the need to address you with it.
Fine, thanks very much. I'm really grateful for not bearing within you. What we need to do is I need to call upon all the teachers, so I'll have a meeting. So based on that, you chip in this statement inside and we'll find a solution to solve the problem. Because if we don't take it, it's going to be something serious.
True.
So I'm really grateful for not bearing within you. Thank you so much. So I believe I can take my leave now.
Oh, sure.
So 2-3 days time, prepare. We're having a teachers meeting.
Okay, I'll be looking forward.
All right. Thanks very much.
Abri bia unya ho after Daniel no aba Wednesdays bia after Daniel no aba no be bom pai no masua de na me giri se moye sa Awurade nkunim die no ebeda di ama. Amen. Na won ka mo ho da. Amen. How na be koso school man on ka ho da. Amen. Awurade on hira mo. Amen. Na onya mo kese. Na mo nyina mo ho na mo mbra abri nyina. Na modi sua so bibia be kama. Amen. God bless you all. We shall meet again.
Hi, bad man. What's up?
Mayu.
So you the everyday be taking Charlie. You sign red socks, black shoe.
Charlie.
Prescribed shoe and things.
So you're gentle, so
Charlie,
people they watch you, like around people they spy you, but you don't know.
Someone who start that Charlie, make them watch me.
Champion. You are the feel you for.
I feel you bad
man.
Tini. Hey, whoa. You know what greet me? I'll come catch you there.
Nah, you boost up.
Marie.
Yeah.
I asked you to do something for me. And I've waited for 3 days. I haven't heard anything from you. What's going on? What is it?
I'm done with what you said.
Okay, so why not give me feedback?
Okay, I'm father mekayen.
What?
Wanfa. Nani njo ompel.
You don't mean it.
Me anka meka. Odi adwuma ahye mensa. Maye de emetimi. Wanfa.
You don't talk about gender, you see what you do spy. You dey spy books. And they there. You know,
okay. And don't lean on it, stand up.
SP. SP the farm boy.
I'm brutal keen. Forget him.
Boy, we punish you.
Nothing.
Yeah. I mean, the pony there. You know.
Bobo.
Huh? Me a grano. Yes, that.
I can't. What is it? Hey, not woman.
Only Saki can meet for here.
Pablo.
Me they know greet me.
Oh, okay, Mati.
Or say on pel, Nani Joe, our boy. Yeah. That's what she said. Enjoy numere, menenet's nasi. Me boy me who more than Kasa. Cause a Juma na de ashe mensa, what you say?
Sure.
See the organ is in me Kasa, no. It is any shia, any ye. On for 1 year she.
No.
Yes, Nikasamuno no. I say on for 1 year she or Fidal.
But Mavi, this Fadel guy does not fit Erica.
And then they won't mean can't say, oh no, they were penal. One a woo proud, go on this on your day, on pel. School one so anyone on Kwane or bar or what? I was over here, sir. Anyone on Kwane or bar and Baby Bray, a big rush so into.
Yeah, quite a class, or it would be near why.
All right.
Oi, see now way the like speaking trees are no. Something in the bar. Boy.
Charlie. Why? With the Rexy, I flew you some vibe about some girl really worried.
Yeah.
Eat this.
Then be two which one?
The fake girl, the one we naturally
the one
top plus
we come top plus you.
Yeah. Charlie. Aye. Senior shortingo.
Senior way they like double.
Oh, hard dream
for like matter say. Forget them say.
Senior Mavi.
Hey, who said forget them?
Mavi, you not understand what I feel for this girl. I know she's not the only girl on this campus, but she's the only one I want. I really need her. I madly need her.
And to obey a day. Nani John on pel all day tea. What a? To obey a day.
I have to get her.
You have to get her.
Yes, and you have to help me get her.
I can't do that. Ma try and I answer. To me and say beam. What a?
Let's try once more. It will work. Huh? You have to help me get her.
Listen, you can't force a force to go by force. Great. Until embalm most who Erica now.
Yes, Erica and only Erica.
Who said forget them?
Cinnamon. Charlie, it be you.
No be me.
We are sorry, Senior. Senior.
One also so you go make you
forget them. Girl no.
Charlie, the girl dey fine.
Bro, she worry me big time.
If you be this girl, I make you no lose guard. Make you no waste time. Cry, make you no waste time.
Make you no lose guard.
You know say I know am.
You go know am.
I know am. But it be like me ask how I did I know the vibe plus am. You poppy get money. You poppy be billionaire.
How you go vibe plus am? You all the time bandana day your neck inside.
Them they fear me. They feel like I dey smoke them things.
Wait. In poppy be what?
Big billionaire.
Yes.
Like Obi Dowa, no what don't be. No one forget it one on done.
I need you to do something for me.
Me to me be my bread. My bread. And drag you on the city Osika side. If you know better sanaje or pefadel on pel.
See, Mavi, please. Let's try once more.
Me to me be Tia me see you no kwane den. But you have a brand school house Erica. Erica and Pons once on your face. What's up?
What I feel for this girl is uncomparable. Okay?
So say Dangote them all day in under.
Bro. At the bar, in Poppy be billionaire by me, my mommy be poor near Charlie. We no get nothing no. Charlie Chapo no cry more time. Say I know what for. Bro, is you. It's our fault.
Accept them. The girl they love you. Huh? Your mommy go strong they sell the chaku.
Senior man.
Why you know umpeska?
Make you no try to convince me. The thing will be two things. common friendship way like she won't make we do no some instructions then pressure way they attach no. That relationship.
They lose God.
She go die me.
Tell me say for home
go die.
Go tell and say you the home so you need money.
If be she way she take you come school.
I can't transfer what I feel for her. To another lady.
Like, how? Hey, that was the idea. Would you baba kwechi? Our bra and baba way a pressure show.
Mavi, you will not understand. You don't understand until you wear the same shoes that I'm wearing.
Easy so by day. Get on in pale. Great, get on pale.
Fine. Okay. I'm okay.
Students of today.
Small be crumple money by for 2 well.
Yeah, Bobo back here, wasting also.
Oh, I said, they parents mobile and seen on them provision. Think I'm sure now come on. And I'm a smile mobile and I'm so
parents mobile. And I'm saying also, yeah, we this one of my.
Sit down. We are meeting me at the same corner. Miss forget the girls. I'm a senior house master was say that I am now. I could try. What's my name? So punishing you.
Wow, so like milk things and stuff.
Biao. I cannot thought say, oh, my mom buy any to know more than I said.
Oh, Tony be the house on our bed when you're crazy and this.
It's your biamba.
No, biamba. Biamba is in a bobo, no neighbor.
Oh, okay, maybe I'm so mobile. No,
biamba.
Oh, my neighbor headmaster so upon sharing us and sitting on me who senior master or say they will be on your shoe.
I know what family of
you man, senior master and sitting on
me. Some people friend who was simply about in the school. You may share. Man, just assembly among media or big other parties of the Macano.
I'm the two so class on my baby chum do have a bitch now.
Say prep time.
Your Matty, oh, your prep time so on.
Yeah, sure.
I know they may say, what channel for 2 pa. Yeah, bra, my bitch, why?
Milk me at the
I banabage.
All right.
Go, Matty. It's your class, why?
So you thanks in advance.
Matty.
Mammy, I just think some of them go. Me and I'm go. Senator, the Bakuno will be on who can my master cut himself by you. Invest in my young hard master. Mintis. Meaning, if I can on your field, if I can on your face, she can't be a man, no one, and you know about your review.
Hey, it's a cross. What did you do here? No go. I want to talk to you. Boy, can I need your life? Fair girl on the phone to you. I know like but also.
Now what can you do right with my young?
I don't do that then about the same how. You see, I don't do that then about the same one. Minimum you must boy, I'm saying cinema Konzi Ghana.
Sir, Makonzi, about the share.
Boy, giddy.
Okay, but I know like when Madame forget just some cool friendship. So
boy, they were quite when you went to this school on giddy. So what I say, until I'm a share, what I want to check you so.
What do you
Listen. A friendship, a old girl, and that's why Madame for you are being and you're like,
boy, you're like, but one tells you, so what I say, no, I'm found on we go,
bro, Sean, Charlie, no good. Just friendship.
That's it.
I guess I'm good.
Next on Students of Today.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Akabenezer.
Mon père s'appelle Kyekyeku.
Your father is what you do.
Hey!
I don't understand.
Oui, j'avoue. Comment tu allais, moi, j'y vois? Je m'appelle. J'y vois. Headmaster. Du Gizebois. What are you winning? Confirm, isn't it?
Baby, you will hear the opposite critic beef man.
I saw him walk.
You asked the young bus of person here. You must say,
I say, I'm flying.
Oh, and for so many young people,
Can you help me to write love letter? When I say, dear madam, then you.
I write, dear madam.
When I say, I
love you,
then
I write, I love you.
Forget about the interest. I said I want you. What?
Students of today. Gangsta. Aka. Ejuma ho ayenti amam fo krekre keys. Oya obi baby am simple. Akabenezer. Ono no say so child the French. Nensontada. I say we be like gone. Ti ona manu we konkon. Ope wo ba wa fon. Chele wo pe di enamum. Da wo pe di enamum. Oba ko fo wa jisku mana boso. Branch this wa wanting ti adisi ankoso. And I'm for pa. Na o tete one time.